Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm not sure why I did that, but hey, anyway, I was bored, you guys, so I decided to make granola for the first time. By the way, the website is down below so you guys can check out the specific measurements for the recipe. As you guys can already tell from the screen, I'm showing you guys what I'll be using for this recipe. It is so easy and simple, you guys. First ingredient was coconut oil. Then I have my maple and honey. I have maple syrup and honey because maple syrup was almost gone and the honey was almost gone, so I used both. Then I showed you guys some cinnamon, and that little thing is salt. Cashews for the nuts. I love cashews, you guys. Y'all don't even know. Obviously, our oats. Old fashioned, by the way. Don't use that instant 1 minute BS. That ain't right, you guys. So the recipe asks for some raisins. I'm not a fan of raisins like that, so I got myself some craisins, basically cranberries dried up. I got the 50% less sugar because I'm already going to be adding so much honey to this and I don't want it extremely sweet. By the way, coconut flakes additional, chia seeds also additional ingredient, and it just makes it so much better. Coconut, you guys, coconut is bae. And obviously our cookie sheet. I don't know how you call this cookie sheet, but it's not just basic flat out sheet. I think it's called like rib sheet or something. Next, we have half teaspoon. I think that's what it says. Half a cup, and the last one is 1 cup. That's all you're going to need, you guys. Lastly, parchment paper. If you don't know where to get this, check out your Dollar Tree because that bad boy is only $1. Boom, now we're done with the ingredients. The recipe told me to preheat the oven, which I'm going to be doing right now, as you guys can see on the screen. Preheat to 300 because it's granola. We don't want that to get burnt. Boy, it almost did on me, by the way. I'm not even gonna lie. Boom, now we're gonna move on to mixing our ingredients together. We have our coconut oil, then we're gonna mix our maple syrup. Don't forget I mixed maple and honey together, you know. Okay, so for the cinnamon, I feel like I could have added way more so it could have given it a nice cinnamony cinnamon taste to it, because just a half teaspoon was not enough, you guys. So I won't get copyrighted. I'm gonna sing for y'all. Here you go. And I get high with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby. I just left the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I can ride with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies. Okay, so I used coconut oil in its solid state, which was wrong of me. What are you doing, Danny? The reason why this is wrong is because whenever I'm gonna put in the dry goods, it wouldn't mix well. So I went ahead and fixed that. I fixed it. I threw that bad boy in the microwave and that was it. So now we're gonna add our oats, our nuts, and mix well. So you guys, I encountered another problem. 10 minutes in between, I checked my granola. It was all wet and still soggy and stuff. I was like, this ain't right. So what I realized is that my sheet was too small for the amount of granola. What I did was I divided it into two like equal portions and baked the portions separately. I did each portion for 11 more minutes, and that way it came out perfect. First batch was ooh. Second batch I did like 10 to 15 minutes. Girl, I think I wanted to do something and then totally forgot about it. Whoosh! Finally, you guys, we're in our last steps. So what I did was added my coconut flakes. Those were bay, like I mentioned earlier, and added the craisins. Ooh, that extra little, it's not too sweet. It's like a sweet and sour vibe that cranberry gave to it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Y'all don't even know. I used this on my yogurt, on my acai bowl. I just ate it because I felt like it. Oh boy. But that is it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make or bake granola for the first time, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.